So we're going to start with using some tomato puree paste. So we're going to spread it with your butter knife. If you want, you could lift it up in your hands and you could just spread it so easily and nice, quick and easy. So this is the base for the Quik pizza. What we're using tortilla wrap, isn't it? We're using this whole wheat wrap, which is very healthy for the family. If you want, you could put more tomato paste on it. And this is just right for me. It's nice and quick. This pizza is really easy and quick. So you spread this out nicely. Right? So then we get some garlic. Put some garlic granules. Sprinkle it nice and quick. It's really easy. Then we get some mixed herbs. Sprinkle the mixed herbs nice and quick. Right? Then we get some sweet peppers. Frozen sweet peppers. Nice and quick. And you could put some red onions if you like. We have some vegan sausages here. For those who want some added protein. Then we put some more sweet peppers in this one. But some of the kids don't like the vegan sausage. So now we have some vegan cheese and we're gonna add it quickly. That should be enough. That's it. Our pizza is ready to go into the oven. Put the oven on. Put the oven on. So guys, you can fold the pizza in half. Yeah. Now the edges tend to get a bit burned, but in the middle is just perfect. The middle is just fine. It doesn't burn in the middle, just the edges a bit. So you can cut off the edges, and then you have a really nice pizza. Okay, and it's really, really nice when you cut it in half. So it's really nice when you cut it. So it looks really, really nice and scrumptious. See how that looks? Okay guys, so thank you for watching. This is just a quick version. I will do the longer version on another day with properly made dough, whole wheat dough. Okay, bye.